Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be based on a dark teal smoky eye look. I'm also going to be sharing a little bit of a life update as well. If you are new to my channel, I usually talk about topics that come to my mind while I put on my makeup at the same time. If that is your cup of tea, I highly encourage you to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for all of my new uploads. All the products that I have used will be listed in the description area below. If you would like to see how I created this look, then stay tuned. First of all, I sure hope everyone is doing well and they enjoyed their holiday season. For those who regularly watch my videos, I do apologize about the hiatus. I've just been facing some health challenges recently, so I decided to take a lot of time to rest. I had went to the doctor a couple of weeks ago and I haven't received the best news. So my next step is to continue to get the much needed rest as well as managing my symptoms as well. So now I'm going to be waiting on a response on the doctor on what to do next. The whole thing has been kind of draining, and so I'm not going to focus on that too much until I get a response from my doctor on what the next steps are. So for today's topic, I'm going to be focusing more on the makeup and less on the struggles that I have been facing lately. For today's eye look, I wanted it to be more smoky and colorful and simple at the same time. So I've laid down a black base so that way the colors could pop when I put it on my eyelids. As you can see, I'm blending out the edges. Now I'm blending out the edges some more with the color Temptress in the palette called the Man Eater by Tarte. Now I'm putting on a highlight shade from the same palette. Next, I'm going to be taking a teal shade from Juvia's Place Walhalla 2 palette, and I'm applying it on my eyelids like so. Next, I'm touching up that black eyeshadow that I had used from the Tarte Man Eater palette. Now I'm blending out the edges with no additional product. From the same Juvia's Place palette, I'm applying a silver shade called Ambitious on my tear ducts. Now I'm applying a black liquid eyeliner to my top lash line. Now I'm applying a new mascara that I had received as a gift. Next, I'm applying a black lash glue to hide the gaps between my lashes and the false lashes I will be applying. Next, I'm applying my false lashes like so. Now I'm using the same eyeliner that I had used as a black base for my eyelids, and I'm placing it on my waterline area. Now I'm using a dark chocolate brown shade from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm blending out that eyeliner with it. Now I'm blending out my eyeliner further with the shade Temptress from the Tarte Man Eater palette. Now that my eyes are all done, I'm going to be applying Urban Decay's All Nighter Face Primer. For my foundation, I'm using MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC50. Looks like it's on its last leg, so I plan to repurchase it soon. Next, I'm applying Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Deep Tan Honey. For my contour, I'm using my custom-made cream contour, blush, and highlight palette. Now for my blush, I'm mixing up 2 shades from the same custom palette. Always make sure I apply my liquid and cream products before I go into powders. Now with the same foundation brush, I'm blending out the harsh edges. Next, I'm going to be applying Beauty Bakerie's translucent powder in the shade Oat to set my concealer. Now I'm using Benefit's Hoola bronzer in the shade Deep to set my contour in place. Next, I'm applying a custom-made powder blush. I really want the eyes to be the main focus, so I'm not going to do too much for the blush today. And next, I'm going to be applying a custom-made highlighter. If you would like to see how I made these custom-made palettes and blushes, let me know in the comments below. To blend everything together, I'm using MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NW45. Now I'm setting everything into place by using Urban Decay's All Nighter Setting Spray. Next, I'm going to be using a lip pencil called Chestnut by MAC. Now finally, I'm going to be applying the Lip Bar's Commando lipstick on the very center. I want to go for more of an ombre look for my lips today. I love the way this look came out and how the ombre lips tied the whole look together. Well, this makeup look is all complete. I sure hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for all of my upcoming videos. Until next time, take care and stay blessed, y'all.